I'm pretty sure somebody has got a Mavic or a Phantom. I'm pretty sure that's a DJI drone. I mean, look at it. It's just a blinking little red light, just blinking green and red light right there. I'm fairly certain that's a Mavic. Fireworks are pretty though. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm sorry that it's, well, the lighting is terrible, but you know, we're doing a night race, so whatever, sorry not sorry. Anyway, we're here at Shawn Ames' house, aka the Heart of America home field, and we are going to be racing tiny trainers. I'm in heat 3, so I've got all the quads, I've gotten some good practice, and I feel like I know this track really well because, I mean, you saw I was flying it all day yesterday at the pilot kind of meet and greet thing. I'm getting something out of my car really quick, just a tripod, because I'm going to do some long exposure shots with this camera while I'm here, because you know all of our quads have LEDs and it's going to look super sick. So yeah, this vlog is going to be super grainy, but whatever, I don't care. I'm working with what I have.
They say, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down.
Alright, so first qualifying round is done. I got my fast lap was a 16-second lap, so I'm very happy about that. I've got a good qualifier under my belt, so I think I'm just gonna try and just finish the rest of them as quick as I can, try not to break anything. But no, super stoked. That felt amazing. That was awesome. I will take that. So yeah, so far so good. Just gotta keep it clean, and I'll be there at the end.
You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't
I cried. Yeah, so for the tiny trainer race, I decided to film all the vlogging parts on my GoPro instead of on my Sony little point and shoot, because I was using the Sony camera to do some long exposure pictures, to kind of do some light painting, because all of the tiny trainers have LEDs on them, and you know, I thought it would look really cool. So what ended up happening was while I was holding, I wasn't paying attention to where my fingers were when I was holding this GoPro, and I ended up covering up the microphone on several of the clips, and so yeah, that's why that clip sounds the way that it does. And it's not just this one clip, it's a bunch of other clips that I had shot. They're all just, it's the same thing. So rather than just like try and go into DaVinci Resolve and try and fix all the audio, which I've tried to do and it's just not gonna work, I'm just gonna briefly kind of talk about what happened out of order in the timeline. So anyway, basically I crashed out in my heat. I was in, I think, the C main, and just nerves got to me, and I made a mistake, went down in the grass, and because I was flying a little 3-inch tiny trainer, I wasn't able to turtle mode out of it and keep flying in the race. So yeah, that knocked me out of the race. So I'm gonna cut back to kind of where I left off, and I'm just gonna kind of just roll some B-roll footage from the rest of the event, and I'll see y'all after the B-roll in the past. That's a wrap. That's a wrap for the tiny trainer race. And just like that, the race day is over. Thank you all very much for tuning in. Hope you all enjoyed this. Please give me a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Bye.